All right. Let's correct math assignment. Lesson 38. Number one, you should have a number sentence written. $7.50 plus n equals $10, or you could have wrote $10 minus $7.50 equals $2.50.
$2.50.
Number two, $431. And a number sentence. The equation. No, it's $2. Number one should have been $7.50 plus n, the missing numbers, equals $10, because this is what they gave you for information in the folder. And your other part of your answer should have been $2.50. I told you if you wrote it this way and made it in a subtraction equation, that's okay too.
I put it like this.
If you wrote it up and down because you stacked them, that's okay.
That's what I did. I wrote it like a subtraction. Yeah.
All right. But you need both parts. You need the equation part and the answer part. Okay? Number two was $431. Number three is $431 written out. Number two is $431, and number three is $431 written in words. Make sure you have a hyphen between 30 and 1 and dollars on the end. Number four is $1/2. So, yep, 1 over a 2. And you can start labeling 2 with a dollar. But you don't have to. If you didn't do that today, that's okay. Okay. Round these prices to the nearest hundred, so it should be A should be 300 and B should be $90. Number 6, A is 1.5 inches, B is 2 1/2 inches, and C is 4 inches.
Wait, which one should B look like?
B should be 2 1/2, so it should look.
Let's see. 2 over 1. I put that little. I put 2 over 4.
This is A. Yeah, you need to start using the fraction symbols. We want you to start getting used to that.
What if it's like it's this fine? Or do you have to fix it?
If you wrote the little lines for inches, that's fine. That's math.
I mean on number B.
On B, if it.
Like it. Yeah. Can I just leave that?
2, 4. Yep, that's the same as 1/2. Okay, and then number 7 is B. Your arm is close to 2 feet long. Because if it was 2 yards long, it would be 6 feet, and your arm would be taller than me. So that's not on. And if it was 2 inches, it would only be about this big. So then you'd be like really small arm,
Maybe
like just a hand.
You'd just be like.
So that's what they were asking you to look at. Number 8, you should have wrote 112,000 or comma 300.
It should be 1 comma 2 3. So it'd be 1 2 comma 3.
112 comma 300. So this is 112,000 in words. 112,000 words, comma 300.
11,000. Wait, 112,000 comma 300. So far I got.
Yes. Do you need me to write it on the board, or are you good? I had it on the board yesterday. I said.
Do it. Do it. Do
it
it in
again.
words. Do it in words.
Yeah. 100 I can't spell 100 today. 12,000, comma, 300.
That's how it should look.
That's how it should look.
I put 11,200.
So you got it wrong. All right, number 9, 2 pennies. Number 10, 20, 24, 28, 32.
Yes.
Number 11, 32, 40, 48, 56.
Yes.
Number 12, finish the table. So on the top on the quarters it would be 5, 6, and then the value part would be $1.25 and $1.50.
Yes.
And then 13, the bicycle tire costs $12. Round to the nearest $10, which would be $10. And B would be, if you were getting 2 tires, it would be $20.
Is this horizontal and this is vertical?
Yes. Number 14, 12, 15, 162,
162.
16, $1.50. 15 is 162. 16 is $1.50. 17 is $4.25. $1.50. $4.25. 18, 72 inches.
Oh, I put 77.
2 yards is 6 feet. So you would have to,
17?
There's 12 inches in a foot, so you would have to add 12 6 times, or 6 times 12.
I
17 was $4.25.
I counted my inches for 6 times.
That works.
But I put 70.
72 is the answer. All right. 19. The sun rose at the time shown on the clock. Right. The answer. 5:56 a.m. 5:56 a.m. It's 1 minute after the 11 is where that minute hand is pointing. And number 20 is 36 miles.
1 mile. 1 inch.
Well,
What's number 20?
36 miles.
Minus 22.
Some of you got confused. Oh, there's a line. I must measure. That's called not reading the question. You want to read the question. So, today's new thing is your story problems. We've had mainly adding and subtracting. We will have story problems that you need to compare information. Or you might have to use subtraction to solve them. So I will help you with number 20 right now. And you can just write it on your problems because it's a comparing problem. Number 20 in your math book's going to say, Emma has 4 quarters and 3 dimes. How much is 4 quarters and 3 dimes?
4 quarters.
$1.30. So Emma has $1.30. Angela has 19 dimes. So how much money does Angela have? $19 dimes.
She has
$1.90. So which girl has more money? Angela, because we know she has more money. And then they wanted you to solve it with a greater minus lesser equals the difference problem to show how much more money she has. So your first part of the answer is Angela. The second part of the answer is $1.90. minus $1.30 equals $0.60.
What's number 1? Wait,
Okay.
Oops.
So if you're smart and you're not on 20, I would write this down on the back of my paper, on the bottom of my paper, so I already have 20 done. Because it won't stay up there very long. Yes, you may, just.
Okay.
And then you had a question about which one, Johnny?
Not 1.
Okay. Okay, read me the problem.
Cindy spends $1.25 for a milkshake and $1.50 for a chicken sandwich. Altogether, how much did Cindy spend on the milkshake and the sandwich?
So what are we going to be doing? Adding. So what are we going to add? $1.25 plus.
And 50.
So, and $1.50. So you have to add those two numbers together and you'll get your answer.
$1.25 and $1.50.
Mm-hmm. All right.
It should be like